cordial greetings, teachers and classmates. They are particular tones or idioms that identify different groups of speakers of language without questioning the linguistic unity of language. Dialects is simply a variety of shared language. For example, the Spanish or Castilian of the Paisa region of Medellin or Pereira, be it by the voceo of the Old Castilian, that is to say by the use the voice instead of saying or use as the person of the singular, and by the intense pronunciation of the letter X. Emite, for example, farra. This is one of the words that are never missing in the dictionary of Paisa. Only comes from orin denoting this way of the boat, and why of the questioning what another say are said. Cundiboyacense, sometimes referred to simply as Boyacense, is dialect of Spanish spoken in the central and Andean region of Colombia, in departamentos of Cundinamarca and Boyacá. For example, achicopalado with say contains showing achantado depression. Su merced, used to refer with respect to one person to another of dialects that for the following dialects coastal of Caribbean. Spanish is the group of dialects that are part of the Caribbean varieties of the Spanish language spoken in the Colombian Caribbean region in the north of the country. For example, chuchería, candy. Cipote, argumentative word that means bike. Thank you for listening. Bye, teacher and classmates.